number 17, find the limit. We'll be finding the limit as delta x approaches 0 of that expression. And I first of all like to try direct substitution. So the first thing that I'm going to try to do is put 0 in for all the delta x's. So we'll get 0 cubed plus 12. Sorry, I'm using a mouse here instead of a pen, so be patient with me, please. Times 0 squared. Those terrible computer issues I was having. 5 times 0. Oh, goodness gracious. All over 5 times 0. And notice when I'm doing that, I end up getting 0 over 0. That does not mean the limit does not exist. It just means I can't work it that way. So instead, we're going to try to do some cancellation. I notice up top that each term has a delta x. So I'm going to factor out a delta x from each term. And when I do that, I'll get delta x squared plus 12 delta x minus 5 all over, oh boy, we still have 5 delta x. Okay, and then I noticed my delta x's will cancel. That was much easier to do. And so I am left with delta x, boy, writing with the pen was hard, okay, plus 12 delta x minus 5 all over 5. And now remember, we're not done because we're finding the limit as delta x approaches 0. So I really want to still put 0 in for my delta x. So now if I put 0 in for all the delta x's, I end up getting negative 5 over 5, which reduces to negative 1. So that would be my limit.